Hi there, in this video, I will give you a quick guide on how you can install SentinelOne agent on Windows. So please listen carefully to each step that I will be explaining, and this will help you to protect your device with endpoint security. So first, you will have to download the SentinelOne agent installer from your company portal or the official source, which is right there. When you log into your SentinelOne or you have an account here, you should see something like package right here, like a package section. And what you will have to do is you will click it and then you will find an installer. Then what you will have to do is you will double click that installer file so that you will be able to start the setup. You will follow the on-screen instructions, you will choose the installation location and click next. Then you will accept the license agreement and then you will click install, and once the installation finishes, you will click finish. You will open SentinelOne to confirm that the agent is running and connected to the management console. And yeah, that's how you will safely install the SentinelOne installer. So yeah, thank you so much for watching this video, and I really hope it was helpful for you. And if it was, please make sure to like and subscribe for more videos like this. Thank you and have a good day.